Imagine for a moment that a wave from an ocean complained that it's thirsty and needs water. It would sound quite funny and surprising. The wave is part of the ocean itself, and its very nature is water. So, how can it feel thirsty and want water? You may ask. The only reason could be that the wave has somehow forgotten that it belongs to the ocean, and its very nature is water only. When people complain about lack of money or lack of this abundance of anything in their lives, they are like that wave which has forgotten its original nature. When we look at the source from which we all have originated, the source from which everything around us is originating, just look deeply and intensely. You will find that the source is unconditionally giving to us in every possible way. The source is lavishly abundant, so to say, shamelessly abundant, so much so we feel like saying, oh my God, this is really infinite abundance, infinite variety, and infinite love which is being showered on us so generously, isn't it? Just look at the variety of flowers, the variety of fruits and vegetables, the species, just all the life that is buzzing around us. We keep breathing air, drinking water, and enjoy all the resources in abundance over a lifetime. Now, when we have been bestowed with such amazing, such unbelievable abundance all around us, then why do we still experience lack of money or lack of anything for that matter in our lives? That's the big question here. Why? Lack is really then a lie which we tell ourselves. Lack exists in only one place really, in the human mind, and not in reality. When we focus on lack, we attract lack into our lives. Whereas when we focus on abundance, we attract abundance into our lives. Just like two sides of a coin. We either see heads or tails. It really boils down to what are we focusing on. Sadly, we allow our minds to get filled with thoughts and emotions of lack. Why is the economy down? Why is it so hard to earn money? How we have to struggle day and night to get even little money? We keep watching and hearing about lack from all directions, so much so we unconsciously start focusing on only one side of the coin, which is invariably the lack side, while completely ignoring the infinite abundance which is surrounding us and the infinite abundance which is being showered on us from all possible directions by Mother Nature so generously. We really don't have to keep fighting all the time. Imagine you're standing in front of the ocean and wanting to fight and swim against the wave. We just have to learn to flow with life, not fight with it. Don't face the ocean. Just turn your back and remind yourself that you are that wave, and you are not just that wave but part of an entire grand ocean. The ocean of Mother Nature is backing you up. You came from there. The ocean of abundance is in fact backing you up. In reality, you are part of the ocean. That's your very nature. That's who you really are. You're born to live in abundance. You're born to experience abundance of money in all possible areas. And Mother Nature wants to shower abundance on you. You just have to open yourself up to her abundance. Allow yourself to be your abundant self. Just surrender yourself to that ocean of abundance. The time has come with the grace of God.